The second mode of the SolidCAM simulator is integrated. So when we're in non-flyout mode, the graphics is shown integrated into the SolidWorks graphics view. This is similar to the HostCAD simulation. And in this way, the stock and target is shown overlaid onto the SolidWorks models. In this simulation, it is possible that you may want to hide or show any of your components in SolidWorks, so that way you can have a better view of the simulation. If at any point you would like to do something with the SolidWorks model, it is easy to fly out the simulator. You can drag it to a corner, and then you could do whatever you need inside of SolidWorks, such as measuring, sketching, or defining geometry. And then when you're done, you can just switch it back from non-flyout mode, and then you have your simulator brought back into your environment.